Welcome to Dongchuan Red Land, a hidden gem in Yunnan, China, renowned for its breathtaking palette of natural colors. Dubbed God's Palette, this unique landscape owes its striking hues to the high iron content in the soil, which oxidizes to create vivid reds and oranges. Sunrise and sunset are magical here, when the light dances across the fields, offering photographers and visitors unforgettable views. Experience the harmonious connection between people and nature, as local farmers cultivate this land with traditional techniques passed down through generations. Every season transforms Dongchuan into a new masterpiece. From spring greens to autumn golds, the scenery is ever-changing. Discover the vibrant beauty of Dongchuan Red Land, a destination that feels like stepping into a living painting.